Hi everybody, I'm Trisha Keel with Tomorrow's Key. I have a brand new webinar that is available for you through the International Feng Shui Guild with the Presenter Spotlight series. So this is my trailer for leaving Stagnation Station when you want to get out of where Qi has gone to die. This is a Feng Shui exploratory workshop that will help you to discover where the Qi in your environment has gotten stuck so that you can get your life, your career, your health, and your relationship back on track. Whenever you want to clean the kitchen floor, the first thing you have to do is unstick the refrigerator, and then everything goes easy. So we will discover those sticky spots of stagnant Qi and get things going for you and make an immediate and dramatic difference. This workshop is for those of you who are ready to move forward but haven't figured out where the brake release is. Feng Shui shows you the way. I invite you to register for Leaving Stagnation Station. Thanks.